Alright, this is a job we're doing. It's for a customer. We do a monthly maintenance program over here, and I pre-sprayed these carpets an hour ago, and I'm back. And what I'm doing now is I'm rehydrating the carpets. I put the spray down and the carpets are dry. So I'm putting the spray, this is just water. I'm rehydrating the carpets so I can clean them. And at the same time I rehydrate them so the weather's clean, I'm also putting, I'm reactivating my pre-spray that I put down. So I'm getting the pre-spray to work 2 times instead of once because it's reactivated. And I'm hydrating, and that's what I'm doing with this step. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of these high output sprayers, but because they get the carpets pretty wet, but when you want to get an area done quick, they'll do it for you. Okay, got my excess water out of the line. Pick this thing up, bring the machine in. Dump my water out real quick. So we're going to do a cleaning now. I want y'all to know this. There's a brush on here, and the reason why is that's what we're going to clean with. We're not using bonnets. This brush, on a carpet that's moderately soiled, this brush will clean it. How it works is, the brush will strip the carpet fibers, all the dirt that's on them will fall off. It'll also get into the backing of the carpet, so the backing will get clean. And the dirt that falls off, the secret to this cleaning technique is, when you're done, you want to do a vacuuming. And you can't vacuum carpets that are wet with a regular vacuum. It'll damage them, so you need to use a shop vac. Now we're going to do the shop vac part off camera. Nobody wants to watch us vacuum a wet carpet with a shop vac. That's not fun or entertaining, so we're not going to do that on camera. But that's how you do. This cleaning technique works off the fact that it cleans the carpet fibers, it cleans the backing. But when you're done, you need to do a vacuum. You need to vacuum because all the dirt and loose debris you pulled out of the carpet vacuum and all the junk that came off the carpet fibers, that stuff needs picked up because there's no extraction with a brush. But believe me, this is a viable technique. There's people with CRBs running around doing this every day, all over the place. So it's already been proven to work. It don't matter what chemical you clean with, as long as you do a vacuuming when you're done, because this is going to get stuff that's down in the backing, pet hair, human hair, stuff like that. It's going to get, it's going to strip the carpet fibers. Now on a heavily soiled carpet, I don't recommend this because that probably will take a bonnet because you're not going to get, 10 years of dirt off of a real dirty carpet. But on most carpets or lightly soiled, it'll do a fine job. And it's a quick and easy technique. And you can use whatever cleaning chemical or solution you want to work with. I have the one I prefer, and You can use whatever you want. It all works no matter how you do it. It'll work for everybody. There is no wrong way of doing this unless you don't post vacuum. Now what I'll do is I'll slowly back my way out of the room and it's over. Like I say, this will dig up stuff from the bottom of the carpet that you really don't find with a bonnet. I'd recommend if you do this, get the black brush on the Oreck. Don't get the green one, or you can get a white one, but get a white or black, because you're not pre-scrubbing before you extract. You're cleaning, so get the one that'll clean the best, which will be the black one or the white one. The green one and all that, the blue one, those are too aggressive, and they're okay for pre-scrubbing, although I don't recommend them for even that, but you don't want to use them for cleaning. So it's 6:30 on a Monday morning, and this is what's going on. No, I'm not going to go behind the door, and I'll admit it, I don't go behind doors. If I notice that I'm dirty behind, I just don't go behind them. It's like, who cares? There's nothing back there, and I'm not going to mess with it. Some people do, I don't. If you feel that's wrong, then go behind the door. But as you can see, the carpets are clean. Of course, they weren't real dirty to begin with. And like I say, you can do real solid carpets with this. I just don't recommend it. I've done really dirty carpets where it's black everywhere, and it gets it all out. And if you do that and throw a good vacuum behind it, you can probably get away with it. But on the really dirty carpets, I like a bonnet because it pulls stuff out quicker. So I like to go as fast as I can, whatever method I use. But that's it. That's the whole video. So there's nothing more to it than what you just saw. But that's an easy cleaning technique. And remember, there's CRB cleaners all over the country doing this anyway. I mean, you can do it. Everyone else can do it. There isn't where some people can do it and some can't. All of you can clean this way. Just remember, you do your post vacuuming. So, well, anyway, y'all have a nice day, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.